Go ahead, little nigga. Inhale. Now exhale. You'll be alright. Just gotta keep your head high and your eyes low at this motherfucker. Smoke, nigga. Smoke. Yo. Keep on with no hope with emotional baggage. I'm way woke some with the dope in the attic. Got weed in the jug, I got coke in the cabinet. Yo, nigga got problems myself. Literally fell back from earbud. Got my bitch feeling like I don't care about her. Got the Bible right now, I'm in Jeremiah. I be going through shit I don't speak about. Since I lost JOC, I've been out of it. Since I lost Lil KP, I've been out of it. Rap believe that I'm rolling, got loud in it. I can put you on game about a lot of shit. Why these rappers who pussy take shots at me? Let them little niggas boom send the cops at me. Got a flow like no other, can't copy me. Had to cut off some niggas, can't rock with me. I had enemies running all up in my pack. Scandalous hoes all up in my pack. Stealing from a nigga behind my back. Boom, 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 sounded the gat. Lord, I'm so thankful for mama. Sorry for putting it through all of the drama. Went to the county, that's when I lost drama. To add to the fire already, you're gonna tomorrow ain't promise. You see, I find it crazy how a nigga go to prison, bust down a whole dime. By the grace of God, I was fortunate to really lose no one who was close to me. Then I come home and shit, go to hit a nigga back to back. First it was my nigga job, and it was my first enough you could sheet. I go to the county for 60 days and just like that I lose my grandma. Shit, right now I'm just trying not to lose control. You dig? Yo, nigga got problems myself. I fell back from my nigga, it's part time. It ain't like he crossed me, but he lost me. Bro, I'm stubborn and I got my own mind. Let me rock about rock at the draw the line. For I ass forward, brother, draw the 9. I can deal with them motherfucking lawyer fines. Don't try me like my gangster is watered down. Had some bitches who skated, I called the time. Had this one who waited, I called the time. I got out and I didn't even fuck with her. Shorty still see me in Hollow, and she don't look at me like a fuck nigga. I've been through way too much on the trust niggas. In my circle, I don't want them buck killers. Had to throw away a couple dirty pistols. You don't know me like you think you know me, dog. If it weren't for my sons, ain't no telling. Hit my knees in the prayer up to heaven. Got a deal on me to make 11. Go to church and feel judged by the reverend. All this evil be blocking my blessings. Cause I killed my little nigga, we close. Woke up sweating cause shit was a nightmare. Hit him between his eyes, shot him right there. Damn. It's like lately I've been neglecting sleep. Cause every night I've been dreaming evil. I look into the innocent eyes of my sons, them, and like that I'm reminded of how important it is for me to keep it all under control. Shit, I don't know if I be wanna sleep next to my lady or sleep next to them rooks. For real. Just read Psalms 23. Devil, you can't fuck with me. Get up off me. I'm one of you can't control. Yo, nigga got problems myself. We as niggas gotta learn to handle what we can handle and quit stressing over shit that we can't control. Shout out to my niggas in state and federal penitentiaries. Glock.